Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride? 'Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Pass with flying colors now. Gonna try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. I'm taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Pass with flying colors now. Show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me, yeah. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Pass with flying colors now. Pass with flying colors now.
That's the bro code. Baby gave me, that's a little bro. If she made me weed when she deep. I need a rich, not a cheap. Baby on that my brother told me, get that money, sis. You just keep on running on your hungry shit. Ignore the hate, ignore the fake, ignore the funny.
Hey guys, so we are out on the bikes. We had an amazing ride. We're about 45 minutes out from where we live, and we're having a great time. It's Memorial Day, and look at the skies. Beautiful. We're actually in Somerton. Greg has family buried here at a cemetery. He's visiting on, some of his loved ones. He would like to stop by and visit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, this is the little surprise that we was talking about. We used to do back in the days. We used to ride those Suzuki's. Now we with Harley Davidson. This is my Road Glide.
Special.
It's a special. I like it. I'm enjoying it. I'm riding it. It's Memorial Day. Feel good. Enjoying the weather. So we can ride some more. And you see my wife, her brand spanking new.
Let me introduce her.
Go ahead and introduce
Here. You were told the camera, let me introduce her. So guys, we manifested this last year this time on our last Memorial Weekend video. We talked about how one day we hope that we can get back on the bikes and get back into that again. And we said when God sees fit, we will get back into that. So I'm so thankful that He saw fit. And this year we're back riding our motorcycles. So I have a 2023 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic Softail. So she is brand spanking new, y'all, and I love her. So of course I did a couple of little things so far. I added my engine crash bar and my saddlebag bars, and it's a couple of other little things I'm going to tweak to make her CC's. But I'm loving her. She's perfect and she's so comfortable, and I'm having a ball. Can't wait to link up with other motorcycle riders. I've been checking out some channels, and I've seen a few people that I don't mind linking up with, and hopefully one day that can happen. So if you ride, let me know in the comments, and let me know where you're from as well. All right, guys.
So we decided to ride down here to my family plot, visiting my grandparents, their graves, uncles and aunts, and some cousins, and we just came down just about 40 miles from where I live at. So we just came and visit them on Memorial Day. Now we're about to do some more riding. See y'all soon.